Just like our if-else conditionals, with while loops, we can use operators such as or and. We can also use not, and we can use these to specify the conditions which need to be evaluated to either true or false in order for our while loop to execute or not execute, or execute some, and then if the condition becomes false during the execution, during these iterations, then to cease executing. So we can use multiple conditions for a single statement, as we see here, just trying to make it real world example. While phone battery is less than 100 and power equals true, so let's say we have power at the electrical outlet, then action is assigned continue charging, or we could say variable name continue charging equals true, or something along those lines. And we could even call a function here. That would probably be more appropriate, but we haven't learned functions yet. But we would just execute this continuously until phone battery became 100, so it was not less than 100, or if the power became false. Remember, with our and statements, both of these conditions need to be true for the entire expression to evaluate to true for the while loop to execute. We could also say while battery is less than 100 and not power equals false. That would have the same effect. Just a note, I wanted to point out that we can use these or and operators in our while loop. And again, always remember your colon after the line with the while reserved keyword. So while expression that evaluates the true or false, colon, and we've got our indentation, and anything we want to run inside the while loop will be indented, at least this one level, for Python to recognize that it's part of the while loop. So that's a little bit about our operators that we can use in while loops.